This is the plaintiff, Vanessa Clark. She says she went to visit her parents at their housing complex, parked in a legal visitor parking spot, and the overanxious defendant towed her. She had her 3 young kids with her. The defendant caused her a whole heap of heartache, and she's here to prove her innocence and get her hard-earned $189 returned. This is the defendant, Bobby Scores. He says the plaintiff was most definitely not parked in a visitor parking spot. She chose to ignore the signs directing her to visitor parking, and that's why she got towed. End of story. He's accused of towing the line.
It's Vanessa Clark and Nicole Enriquez. Okay, who's who?
I'm Vanessa.
And Nicole, what is your relationship to her?
I'm her mother.
Okay. You are suing Bobby's Towing. Bobby Scores, you're the owner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For $189 for unlawfully towing your vehicle, you say. Tell me what happened.
I came into the parking lot in the complex.
What parking lot is this?
Tubman Terrace complex.
And it's you were there because?
To visit in-laws.
Okay.
So I visited for a couple hours. I was very aware of parking in my spot in visitors parking.
Do you have a spot there? No, you mean parking in a visitor spot?
Parking. Yes.
Okay. How are the visitor spots marked?
I do have a picture. The spot is marked with an arrow, and it's like maybe a lane worth. 2 arrows.
Let me see. I mean, do they have those? What do you call those things?
There's 2 signs there, and the arrows point in.
That's it. That's how a person knows that it's a visitor spot.
Yep.
Okay.
They're not marked visitors or anything like that. They just have the sign.
Okay. All right. So go on.
So I parked directly in the closest spot because I do have 3 small children. I wanted to be as close as possible.
Which spot did you park in? Is it in this picture?
To the right. Kind of. I tried to show exactly how it is. Yes. Yep, to the right.
Okay, go on.
So I visited for a couple hours. I came out and my car was missing. They didn't show me a picture.
Could you have parked in the one next to it by accident? Maybe all the spaces were taken up. Maybe, well, not to your knowledge. What is it?
I'm 100% sure.
Have you ever had? Has anybody ever talked to you about the parking rules in that place, or have you?
Yes, my in-laws, every time I come in, they say, you know, be aware, did you park in the right spot? Because the parking situation there, people get towed all of the time. So I did double check and I was in the right spot.
Okay, and then when you came out, your car was missing, and what happened?
So I gave a call to Bobby's Towing, and he had to make a call to double check himself. I guess he wasn't working that day, but his employees did, in fact, tow my car. So when I went to go pick up the car, they wouldn't show me a picture. I had no proof. I just pretty much had to give the $189 or, you know, have a $50 fee. Yeah.
All right. So, so you got your car back and then you filed a lawsuit.
Yes.
Did you argue with them and tell them that you parked in the correct space?
I did say that he should have had somebody double check, whoever it was, because I shouldn't have been towed.
What does that mean?
I didn't really argue, no.
Talk to me.
So, weird to you a little bit that this woman didn't complain, really, while she's watching the car. Now she says it's towed illegally?
What kind of car was it?
It doesn't matter. What would you do if your car were being towed and you thought it was illegal?
Oh, I'd definitely do whatever I can to stop it.
Would you be mad?
Absolutely.
Would you be mad?
Maybe she didn't know what they were doing. Maybe she thought that
Well, when the car gets hooked up to the car,
they were trying to transport it to the correct place.
on a tow truck, I'm guessing not, though. Going inside the courtroom.
I was not working. I happened to be taking care of some stuff around the house that afternoon, and it was my stepson who towed the car. When I had called him, he said, yes, they did tow the car, and she was one away from where she was supposed to be parked.
Where's he?
He could not make it today, man.
Why not?
He couldn't make it. He has school, he's going in the Army, he couldn't be here.
Well, good for him, but you know.
I know.
You weren't there.
Nope, but I have pictures, we have the rules.
You have pictures? Let me see the pictures.
I have them on my cell phone.
Sure. That's awesome. You have picture. You take a picture of the illegal parking job?
Here's the thing. every other phone. I have pictures of every other car in here. We did not take one of hers because he had gotten a new phone, so I do not have that. I have the signs.
Not interested.
Okay.
You're
Okay.
right.
I don't have the picture of her car.
I know, but you know what's going on, right?
Absolutely.
I've got a person here. Did you park legally?
Yes.
Okay. And now I've got a person there. Did she park legally? Wait, I can't hear him. Wait, he's like
She
the
did not
invisible
park
man.
legally.
Wait, there's no contradictory evidence to what the lady's saying. I mean, she may have very well parked illegally, but I'm kind of like in a bad spot here because you didn't bring the guy who can say so. If he was here, it'd be over. You know, did not, did to. You know, I know you guys are not in the business of towing legally parked cars because you're not going to keep your tow contract very long if you do with the establishment.
Correct.
Right, but.
Your Honor, I understand.
Right. Verdict for the plaintiff, $189.
Bobby scores. Not this time he doesn't. All right, turn this way. So you know how it goes. The tow man's always the bad guy.
Absolutely.
And that makes you in that
makes
role
me the
right
one.
now.
Yep, and that's where we're at.
All right, Bobby scores.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Right down this way. Great name, bad defense. All right, step on in here. Are you satisfied how this comes out?
Yes.
Right? When you saw that he didn't have his evidence on the other side of the courtroom here, did you realize what was going on in there?
Yes, very happy to have won. Justice is served.
Anything against Bobby scores over there?
Next time they should just double check when they're towing.
Maybe you should take a picture, too, of where you parked,
Yeah.
just in case. Because if the other guy had shown up, you would have been in trouble in the case. Would have been a lot tougher for you if his evidence had shown up. Maybe a picture?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Harvey?
So, Kurt, you know, judges will allow witnesses or litigants to submit hearsay in small claims court, but not when it comes to the essence of the case. Then you got to do better. That will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.